get Wildscarr from having a scar that goes from my sternum all the way down from my groin. From when back in '97 I had testicular cancer and they had to remove that. And then a few months later they had to go back in for a pulsar lymph node dissection. That's where they cut me open, basically split me up, threw all my guts on my chest and took a slab of stuff out of my back. Turned out it was nothing, so I had a clean bill of health from then. You know, of course, you got to go through the whole CAT scans every month, and then every 2 months, and then after a while, I was like, I'm just done. I'm not gonna do it no more. And you go get the old normal checkups here and there. Earlier this year, there was a spot on one of my kidneys that they had to go in and basically do a biopsy on, and then also freeze it at the same time. Turned out that it was cancerous, but since they froze it, it took care of it then. So I can definitely say I am a 2-time cancer survivor. And that's never fun when you have to sit across the desk from a doctor and have him tell you you have cancer. That shit sucks. So fuck cancer. Cancer sucks, but do what you can to get rid of it. You get the early diagnosis, you don't have to worry about it as much. They said because I did all my routine stuff and was always getting checked, and you know, early prostate screenings, I was able to find all that early. So early detection is a must when it comes to that kind of stuff. So get your checkups as soon as you can, do your self checkups. You know, and I mean, back in '97 when I had my testicular cancer, hell, I was only 22 and I thought my life was over then. What a crazy time. But as you can see, I'm here now. And for those of you that might be watching this that are going through it too, don't worry. I mean, I'm married with a kid now, so that didn't affect that. And he's 18 now. So no complications, no issues. But so I'm pretty much a proven fact that I can do crazy shit with only one testicle. Don't tell him you need to have balls of steel.